Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra camera specs leak. One of the main mysteries surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been what camera configuration it might have. There have been plenty of leaks, but they can't seem to agree. Finally though, it feels like there's starting to be a consensus, and it doesn't sound positive, at least for those hoping for a big upgrade to the imaging hardware. This consensus comes with the help of the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra camera leak, Exynos, which is a complete specs list for the rear camera sensors. The list includes a 200 MP main camera using the same ISOCELL HP2 sensor as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a 12 MP ultra-wide camera using the same IMX 564 sensor as that phone, and a 12 MP 3x telephoto camera, taking cropped 10 MP photos using the same, you guessed it, IMX 754 sensor as the S23 Ultra. That just leaves the 10x periscope camera, which is also returning for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra according to this leak, but with a new IMX 754 Plus sensor. That's just a plus version of the IMX 754 that's used in the current model though, so it doesn't sound like something that will have a massive impact. Indeed, Exynos, who has a good track record for leaks, describes this change as negligible. If this is accurate, that would mean a previous leak that suggested there would be a 1-inch main sensor is wrong, but we were always skeptical of that claim, as the source doesn't have much of a track record. It would also mean more widely reported claims of a variable zoom telephoto camera were wrong, but we'd recently heard elsewhere that this probably wouldn't be featured either. So while we'd take this latest leak with a pinch of salt, it seems credible. That's a big shame because while the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the best camera phones on the planet, Samsung is in real danger of losing its lead, as rivals like the Xiaomi 13 Pro and Xiaomi 13 Ultra pack in bigger and arguably better sensors, while the iPhone 14 Pro has more natural image processing, and the Pixel 7 Pro has arguably smarter camera software. By the time the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launches, it will have the iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro to compete with, and it's likely they'll push ahead further too, based on what we've already heard. So if Samsung wants to justify the sure-to-be high price of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and see it rank among the best phones, it's going to need to make some big changes somewhere. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.